So this reminder kids now, while we are entering sa ating restaurant tour, always greet the customer. Okay, so say good morning to the customer, and also sa loob later on, please say good morning to the crews na on floor. Okay, so you're gonna say, hi ate, good morning. Okay, and then to the managers later. Kapag meron kayong nakita na managers dyan sa loob, always say good morning. Come on. 1, 2, 3, good morning. Okay, good morning customer kapag. Good morning customer kapag dito tayo sa labas. Okay, kapag doon tayo sa loob, good morning ate or kuya, and then good morning mom and sir sa ating managers. Okay? Alright, so arms forward, and then sideward, and then shake your hands, shake your hands, shake your hands, jump, 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, ayan. Okay, so, and then hands at your back, hands at your back, hands at your back. Okay, ganito, ganito. Alright, and then walk slowly. Come on, come here.
Hoy, hindi ko guys. Face front.
Come here, tingnan natin si ano. Chantal, come here.
Hands at the back. Sige na.